Hello guys, today our friends of Joasi has sent us this large size seat cushion. We're gonna go ahead and unbag it and let me show you what comes inside. Okay guys, so first of all, let me go ahead and show you this has a replacement cushion, okay, to actually wash the other one, and in that meantime you put this other one. Now the colors on each one of them, this is grayish, this is black. But they're exactly the same on the other end, okay? And well, here just the texture. This is kind of like a soft, cloth, and then this is kind of like, a different, material right here. Okay, guys. Now this is made actually out of high density foam. Go ahead and take this one off, so we can see the foam inside. This is completely washable. So practically this, you can just, wipe it down. This one has like an anti-slip function because of all this, like little, plasticky, little, I don't know, dots right here. So let me go ahead and install this. There we go. We're ready to get one of the sides in. Let's see, very simple. And just put this inside. Practically just slides in as far as you put it to the right side. And to close it, you're just gonna, make sure that you are zipping this, little by little. There you go. Okay, so this is how the other cupboard looks. Okay, let's see. Let me just center it here. There we go. That's on the right place. And let me go ahead and put it here on my seat. Okay, remember this portion to the back, and this, it's gonna have to be in between your legs, and you're just gonna sit down just like that. And that's how you actually use it. It's very comfortable. You can actually stay sitting down for a lot of hours with this. This is very, very comfortable. I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.